Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your profile sells one clear outcome for a specific industry. That headline is a mini offer. Once done, use LinkedIn filters to build a list of 50 target companies and pick 2 decision roles per company. Then write 3 concise outreach templates: a brief intro, a relevance line showing you understand their pain, and a one-action call to action. Send the first batch of 25 connection requests with tailored first lines that reference a mutual point or recent post. Once connections accept, begin a structured 14-day cadence with 3 follow-ups, an added value note, a short case study, and a clarifying question. Make sure to engage on their posts, leave meaningful comments, and share 1 targeted case study per week to build credibility. As you converse, qualify quickly with 3 simple questions about budget, timeline, and who makes the decision. This saves time and moves interested prospects to a booked call. Adjust messaging tone based on responses to increase resonance. You should transition qualified prospects to a focused 15 to 20-minute discovery call with a clear agenda and 3 outcomes to confirm. Use LinkedIn features like saved searches, alerts, and notes or tags in Sales Navigator to track progress and follow-ups. If outreach stalls, troubleshoot by /B testing opening lines, swapping the lead value proposition, or shortening messages. And if replies remain low, audit your target list for fit and refresh creatives. Sometimes a small pivot uncovers quicker wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.